Hey guys, Zaman here. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a PDF file into Word, Excel, JPG, PNG, PPT and text etc. PDF is one of the best and secure way to share the document. The reason why PDF files has more priority is that the data inside it can't be manipulated. Usually, we can't edit PDF files without any third-party app. So when it comes to editing, PDF does have some limitation and users always convert the PDFs to Word document in order to edit the document. Fortunately, there are tons of websites and tools available on the internet which can convert PDF to Word. In this video, I am going to share best online converter that will convert your PDF files in Word document in no time. So let's get started. There are all sorts of different conversion websites on the internet, but we like acethinker.com trusty conversion tool which has a clean interface and avoids annoying ads. The best part of using an online tool is that it can be used from any computer or mobile device anywhere in the world and won't take up space on your computer, and it's totally free. Link of this website is also available in the video description. So PDF conversion can be done easily in 3 simple steps. Click the choose file button and use the pop-up window to pick the PDF file you want to convert from your computer. Select the file and then click the open button. It will take a couple of seconds to upload the file and a few seconds more to complete the conversion. When this is done, you will be presented with the download button through which you can save your converted file directly to your computer. You can also use the AceThinker PDF Converter Pro software to convert PDF files. So click here to download the PDF Converter Pro. In order to convert PDF files into a different format like Word or Excel, under the From PDF tab, select from the list of available file format that you can convert the PDF into. Click the Choose File button to open the File Explorer and select the PDF file. Once you have chosen the PDF file and select the right output format, click the Convert button to start conversion process. After the conversion, a notification will appear. Click Open and the folder where the converted file is stored will appear. You can also convert other files into PDF. All the steps are same. There are still other things that the PDF Converter Pro can do. Another section is the Other Tools section where more essential functions are located, such as merge PDF files, split PDF, compress PDF files, unlock PDF files, and protect PDF files, etc. So that's all for now. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.